In this video, we will be highlighting MockOla's Unified Modeling Language or UML palette, which can be used to design object models for your applications. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to MockOla.com. To access the UML widgets, select the tab labeled UML in the Palettes toolbar on the left side of the workspace. The UML elements include options for UML packages, stereotypes, and classes, as well as use cases. To insert one of these into your diagram, simply click, drag, and drop the widget onto the workspace. By double-clicking on the widget, you can give it a name and define some of its properties. For our example, let's set class as user. We can define properties such as ID, which could be a long type, user ID as a string type, and password, which could also be a string type. You can also remove unnecessary properties and methods by clicking the red X. The options vary slightly on each UML widget, but you can edit and define class and properties on each one. Once you've inserted and defined the widgets of your choosing, you can also connect them with a connector line. To insert a line, go up to the top toolbar and click this icon. Drag and drop the connector line to connect any two widgets. If you double-click on the connector line, you can set the arrow types on both the right and the left sides. For our example, let's make this a dependency. So we'll set the left arrow to blank and the right to dependency. And that wraps up our highlight of the UML palette. Thank you for watching and enjoy using.